Hey! I am very glad to present you this modern, just new built kindergarten with installed everything Danfoss. I mean, heating system is fully equipped with Danfoss best hydronic solutions. Talking beginning from the substation where we present our heat exchangers, two-way valves, three-way valves, actuators, automatics, electronics. Going forward to premises, we will see underfloor heating pipes, PEX-A, the best pipe you could choose for your underfloor heating, especially talking with systems where you have high temperatures in district network, utility network. So it's kind of a bit dangerous to use pipes with maximum lower temperature. So PEX-A can handle 110 degrees maximum temperature temporarily, and maximum working temperature might be 90. Of course, for underfloor heating, 50 degrees is limited by legislation. So we are not going up or more than 50 degrees. Of course, it's a kindergarten, and maximum surface temperature is also limited. What else we have? We have Danfoss manifolds with presetting. Presetting allows to balance, control flow and energy in every circuit. Also, we have automatic balancing valves, ASV-I and ASV-PV, installed in every manifold. And this allows us to control and balance very easily every single room, every single circuit. And also control, I mean room thermostat, is also Danfoss. As you see, those blue screen, nice looking room thermostat in every class or every room. Yeah, this is kindergarten. Soon kids will be entering this project in a month or two, and they are, I think, will be very happy living and being here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, push like if you like, and we will meet you in next videos. Bye.